Before we begin, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is an ordered list of numbers wherein each term is equal to the previous term, plus or minus a constant.
Constant is called the common difference, but we'll get into that later. Now, we'll show you how to get the arithmetic sequence. Now, you see, each number has a corresponding number for each term. For example, this is the first term, and this is the fifth term. So, 1, 2, 3, and the list goes on.
Let's try out the formula. The formula is an equals a1 plus n minus 1 d, wherein n is the position of the term you are looking for, and a1 is the first term in the sequence, while d is the common difference.
Still don't get it? Don't worry, we'll get on to some examples. Here, we can see an example of an arithmetic sequence. 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on. We are being asked to find the 18th term. Before we do that, we must find a common difference or D.
Now, to find the common difference, we must substitute our formula with the terms we have now. So if we use a sub 4, which we know in the sequence is 17, and we also know that a sub 1 is 5, we are ready to substitute our formula.
First, our an is a4. Since we know that 17 is a4, we will substitute that instead. Our a1 is 5 and our n is 4 because 17 is the fourth term in the sequence. We will leave d because we have to isolate it to find the common difference.
Now let us solve. Let's first subtract our n minus 1 or 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. Now let's subtract our a1 or 5 in both sides. The equation is now 12 equals 3d. Let's isolate d by dividing 3 in both sides. Our common difference, or d, is now equal to 4.
Now that we have learned how to find our common difference, let's apply this if we are finding a specific number in the sequence.
Since we're being asked to look for the 18th term, we will use 18 as our n. We'll do the same substitution process with a sub 1 as 5 and n as 18, while d is 4.
Therefore, we'll get our 18th term is 73.
Now, let's read this problem we have to solve. There are 14 plant seeds in terrarium 1, 20 plant seeds in terrarium 2, 26 plant seeds in terrarium 3, and so on. What is the amount of plant seeds in the 10th terrarium?
Now, let's write the sequence down. 14 plant seeds, 20 plant seeds, 26 plant seeds, and so on. Okay, remember our formula? A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 d. We'll be using that. Let's substitute.
Right. Our n would be 10 since we are being asked for the 10th term and our a sub 1 is 14. Now, what's our common difference? We can also easily subtract the second term in the sequence with the first, or the third with the second, or the fourth with the third, and so on. We'll easily get 6.
Now on to substituting. So we subtract 10 with 1 and multiply that with 6. Then add it to 14. What do we get? 68. There are 68 plant seeds in terrarium 10.
And there you have it. That's all you need to know about the arithmetic sequence. We hope you all enjoyed learning about arithmetic sequence just like we did. We hope to see you all soon. Thanks for watching.